How's it going, everybody? eCom Tom here with another video coming at you guys. Happy almost 4th of July for everybody out there that's watching from America. I hope you guys have a great day. And in this video, I do want to talk about a technique that I've been using over the last 6 months, 7 months since I've been going manual on eBay. And I've also used this trick a little bit on Amazon as well. That has really helped me increase my profits across the board so that I have to do less sales to make just as much money as I had beforehand. So this technique, as I have stated in the title of this video, will help you get upwards of 20% profit. I've seen people hit 25, 30% profit pretty consistently all across the board. And this is an update that I recently did just add to my paid full manual eBay dropshipping course. If you guys didn't see, I had updated it within the last 3 weeks, maybe 4 weeks. I didn't really announce it at all. It has this technique, which I'm going to show in a minute. Also, 10 new suppliers, how to properly cancel orders, how to make sure that you do not pay tax, or you do not, you do recoup some of the tax money that you have to pay if you're not tax exempt in specific states, and other tips and tricks across the board. So before we get into the actual meat and potatoes of this video, I do want to tell you guys to make sure to watch until the end of this video, because we do have a 4th of July special going on for you guys. I announced it at the end of the video. I know you guys are also going to like this video. It's pretty informative. I haven't really done anything like it, so I hope you guys like it. Before that, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you do subscribe, or when you do subscribe, please hit the bell button, because that will actually give you a notification every time you do see, or every time I do post a video, you will actually see it. It's the only way YouTube really works. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you inside. So here we are inside of my computer, and as I said, the secret technique here to increase your profits is with multi-packs. So what is a multi-pack? We'll get explaining that in the next slides. So before we get started, like I said earlier, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, and if you like what you see, please be sure to like this video, because we want to get it out there to everybody. Everybody that is manual dropshipping needs to see this, and I'm the only one out there that's really giving you guys pertinent information on YouTube on how to really make extra sales, make huge margins, and actually showing you exact examples of how to do so. So the breakdown, what is a multi-pack? A multi-pack is basically selling the same item in a pack of 2 or 3. So say you have one item that sells very well and you want to diversify yourself from the competition. You can then make a new listing or try to add a variation on at the same time as when you're making the listing. That's a little bit harder, but you can just make a new listing where it's that item times 2 or that item times 3. That's a multi-pack. It's going to diversify you. So why do a multi-pack? First off, multi-packs are going to get you a lot higher profits, and there's going to be a lot less competition. Nobody really out there wants to do it. You're going out there and you're doing something that others aren't doing, and you're making yourself diversified for doing so. So you're going to be rewarded in doing so, because you're going to have a listing that nobody really has out there. You're going to be unique on eBay, and you're gonna make more profit because of it. You can capitalize on free shipping thresholds. This is huge. This is literally huge. Nobody talks about this, and I'm gonna show you in 2 slides exactly what that is. And you need less listings needed to make good profits. So I've been saying over the last few videos, maybe last 10 videos, that basically you only need like 500 really good listings doing manual eBay dropshipping to make full-time income doing so. And I've proven it time and time again that it's very easy to get up and running and get started with very little listings. I did my newest store that I just, followed for the first 30 days of it, hit 20,000 or 22,000 the first 30 days of sales with only 126 items. And this can be done in depth, very in depth, and you can do whatever multi-pack you want, 2, 3, 4, whatever. You can do it with free shipping or not free shipping. I teach it all inside of my course. I'm going to show you guys here, and that can be done in very in depth with Sku Grid. And coming soon to Sku Grid is also the bundle listings, which haven't really come out to the public yet. I've been testing it in beta, and I can't wait to show you guys that as well. So diversifying your listings. First off, like I said earlier, there's going to be less people to compete and drive the price down. The more people that are on the listing, the more people that are going to compete, try to drive the price down. It turns into a price war. If you go where others are not going, you are not going to have to deal with that. Nobody really wants to deal with doing the case of 2, like this item right here. This is clearly a Walmart item, and the person just made it 2, edited the image, and just put case of 2 at the top. That's it. And, you know, there you go. They're selling this item like wildfire, and I break down the profit on this item in 2 slides. So you can edit the title. That's one main thing you really want to be doing to let people know it's a multi-pack. Don't just put it on the picture. Also add it in the title. If that means taking a keyword or 2 away, that's fine. And you can also edit the main image to show that it's a multi-pack like this. You know, the image didn't come like this. This person edited this. It's not hard to do. There's many free image editing softwares out there. The one that I like to use, and I still use even though I do have Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator and everything like that, it's just easy to use, is Canva. Everybody uses it. It's pretty important and powerful tool for being free. And you can do many versions of the same item. So say you want to do, like I said earlier, you have one item that's selling very well, you turn it into a case of 2, you can then list another listing that's the case of 3 of it, or a case of 4, or like I said, bundles are coming out on Sku Grid at some point in time. I'm not sure they're out to the public yet, and you can then bundle something, maybe this bookshelf with like you know, an end table or something like that. That's pretty much where it's not a multi-pack anymore, but it's a bundle, and that's when you know, all right, this item sells well, this item sells well, let's put them together. They'll probably sell well together. So always be diversifying, always try to go where others aren't, and you're going to see way more success in doing so. So free shipping thresholds, this is huge and nobody ever talks about this. So let's take, for example, Walmart and this car seat here from walmart.com. I have some screenshots of actually inside of Walmart, the cart that I had. So Walmart has free shipping on orders over $35. This car seat costs $29.88 to buy one of them. So if you add one to the cart, you're going to end up paying $5.99 for shipping, and you're going to end up paying a lot more. So one item with the shipping, if you buy one of these, is going to be $35.87. And then if you're listing one to eBay, then basically for $35.87, you're going to have to do your profit percentage off of that. So then you're going to price it up in the 40s or the 50s somewhere, and then you're going to be, you know, you're going to be able to make your profit off of that. First off, if there's one, like I said, everybody else is going to be selling one because it's the easiest thing to do. So you're going to have more competition, and you're going to probably get your margins driven down because of the competition over time. But if you add 2 to the cart, first off, like I said, in a multi-pack of 2, then the shipping becomes free, as you can see down here. So I did the math for you guys. If you do 2, $29.88 plus $29.88, you guys can go check this car seat. Just type in like car seat on Walmart, and I'm sure you'll find it. And if you add 2, it's going to be $59.76. If you double these two together, if you buy one of them twice, it's going to be about $72 almost. And right here, if you buy 2 without the shipping, obviously you're saving the $5.99 twice. So it's about $12 cheaper. So it's only $60. So buying 2 at once in a multi-pack, if you had a multi-pack listing of 2x of this, is going to be 17% cheaper than buying 1 2 times if you just had a singular 1x listing. What does that mean? That means that you can then price your items lower for the multi-pack and still be making more profit on the front end. So say you're making 5% margin on this item or 10% margin on this item, and then you want to make 10% margin on this item, you can actually price it a lot cheaper. So if somebody goes and looks and is browsing around, they're going to see, hey, I have 2 kids. I don't want to buy 2 of this when I can just buy this one for much cheaper. So it really is helpful to overcome free shipping thresholds. I know Home Depot has it, Walmart has it, Sears has it, other websites like that have it. So that's really one major proponent to doing this. And also it does help. I mean, it's still going to work very well if it does have free shipping, but no matter what. But the free shipping thresholds are really something to take advantage of. And I see very few people doing it on eBay, but the people that are doing it are absolutely killing it. So, like I said, there's some pretty crazy profit margins. This is one that I just found extremely quickly. I blurred out everything because I don't want to, destroy this seller's listing. I feel like I did that on my last item listing that I did with that printer. So this is the case of 2, like I broke down earlier. I showed you guys earlier. They're selling it for $86, but if you check, it's $5.99 shipping, and we don't have to pay shipping on this item on Walmart because, as you can tell, it is over $35. So, like I said in the last one, taking advantage of free shipping thresholds, this item is $34.88. That's below $35, so you would still have to pay shipping on it if you bought just one of them. So they added it together in a case of 2. All they did was change the title and put case of 2 right here. It's a pretty new listing. It sold 31 times, but in the last 30 days, I believe it sold well over 10 times. I'm pretty sure I counted, but I forgot. I think it was 14. So if you add up 86 plus the standard shipping, then you're going to get the total sale price of $95.98. After you take out the eBay and PayPal fees, which is about 12%, so you can multiply 98 times 0.88, that will get you your fees. You get, or what it is after your fees. So after the fees are taken out, you get 84.11. After you subtract 69.76 from the purchase price from what you have after the fees, the total front end margin is $14.35. You guys can double check my math if you want. So the margin itself is, margin percentage is 15% front end. So that's pretty damn good. I mean, that's something to really shoot for, and it's really something that you can do pretty easily with multi-packs as long as you do it correctly. So then there's cash back. I just checked top cash back yesterday when I made this PowerPoint slide. That's at 5%. I have 2% credit cards. That's an extra 7% on the purchase price, which is $4.88. So you end up making almost $20 on this item. If you are utilizing discounted gift cards or whatever, it's going to be a lot more. And the margin ends up being a 20% margin total, and this person sells it pretty frequently. So like I said, you sell them more frequently because there's less competition. You also make more margin, so you have to make less sales to make just as much money, or just make a lot of money in general. So in conclusion, you need less items to make the same profit, and that's one of the biggest things ever. It makes your whole eBay life a lot easier, a lot less customer service, a lot less issues in general if you are selling less items but making just as much profit. You have less people to deal with overall. And it works well with almost all suppliers. I haven't seen any suppliers that it doesn't work well with. And like I said earlier in the video, I did update my course with 10 new suppliers. So there's over 20 suppliers, or close to 20 suppliers that you can do this with, and it's pretty easy to do so. The only thing is that you need to be able to do it in Sku Grid, and Sku Grid needs to be the one repricing it unless you want to go through and actually do it all on your own manually. If you do know how to set up on Sku Grid, you will realize that it is pretty hard to do. There's a little bit of math, but thankfully in the newest video that I've launched inside of the course on multi-packs, it is very easy to follow, and there's 3 different formulas you're going to have to use. And it's not very intuitive, but I figured it out for you guys because that's what I like to do. So you're going to maximize your average customer value. So instead of them buying just one, being, oh, well, maybe 2's a little too expensive, there's a good chance that they'll just buy the multi-pack and you'll make more money off each customer in general. So like I said, new sections have been added in this course recently in the last 3 to 4 weeks. Students are absolutely killing it. They're seeing a lot of success. I know there's a bunch of students out there that are doing multi-packs because of the videos that I put out there on it, and are seeing great success. Our student that we had on recently on the live, Joe Cox, actually just hit $50,000 in sales in 30 days on one account, and he has 2 other accounts going at the moment that are also doing pretty good as well. So like I said, there is a promotion going on for the 4th of July. And it is July 4th is the promotion code. What you're going to get is $200 off the course. So the course is originally $497. You're going to get $200 off. So it'll be $297. So a little bit of a breakdown of what's inside of the course. There's over 70 videos now, and I do plan on updating it with 3 or 4 more videos in the upcoming weeks with other tweaks and just issues that I've seen students have over time. That's one thing about being inside of the course. You always constantly get updated with new content. If I see that students are struggling with one specific topic, I'll make sure to go out and really, make sure that they can understand it, add new videos to the course, and really break it down for them. So besides the 70 videos, it's over 13 hours of content. There's around 4 or 5 pre-formatted Google Docs or Google Sheets for you guys, just like Excel sheets, that are pretty much going to help you organize your entire business, customer service, returns, cases, item sourcing, automatically uploading your CSVs into Sku Grid. Everything's formatted for you. You don't really have to do anything. You just have to fill in the blanks that I provide for you guys. So if you put in July 4th on the website, link is down below in the description. You'll see it. Right here, you click on the website, you're going to go and click on sign up right away where this red box is. That's the first step. There's also other points and times across the website. You can scroll down, check it all out. Check the entire curriculum. Like I said, it's 70 videos long. There's also a private Facebook group for members only. It's extremely active, and all the students are out there really, really, really helping each other out. At checkout, you're going to put in the code. You're going to scroll down. You're going to see it's $497. There's a little spot for a code. You put in July 4th. Capitalization does matter, so make sure you copy it exactly, all lowercases July 4th, no spaces. You click apply. There's also the chance, if you do not have the VA course or if you are interested, to get an extra $50 discount off at checkout for the VA course. It's great. It's going to help you scale your business extremely quickly, and everybody that has gotten it has loved it because they hire VAs. They don't have any issues with the ones that they hire because of the techniques that I teach you guys inside of the course, and they get their business scaled and running extremely quickly. That's how Joe Cox got up to $50,000 in sales in 30 days in around his 3rd to 4th month ever dropshipping. So after you click apply here, you're going to see the $200 is taken off. It's $297. If you do want the VA course, like I said, just check this box. After that, all you have to do is just click submit payment, take PayPal, take credit card, whatever you have. So like I said, this is a great opportunity to hop on the manual eBay dropshipping train. Not everybody has moved over yet. There's still people trying to teach out there for some ungodly reason to use just automated software, to list thousands and thousands of items on your store at 0% front-end margin and try to make money that way. It doesn't work. It's not going to work. It stopped working about 7 months ago. And I can guarantee you guys the only reason why these people are holding on to that is because they have something to gain from it, as in owning a software that only really works that way, or, you know, just anything like that. So in conclusion, please post your questions below. I will make sure to answer all of them. No question's a stupid question. If you have any questions, I understand multi-packs are a little confusing. So if you have any questions about it, just please make sure to ask me. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to subscribe. And when you subscribe, hit the bell notification. It's the only way YouTube will actually alert you or notify you of my videos when they're posted. And like I said, take action now. This course promotion is only going to last for 3 to 4 days. So if you don't take action now, you're going to miss out in the future. It's going to go up $200, and you're probably going to be kicking yourself in the shorts saying, hey, why didn't I hop on it? We have tons of students that have make their first sale in 1 to 2 days if they're brand new, and tons of students that have already crossed 10 to 20, 30,000 in sales in their stores in the last 30 days. Crazy profit margins out there. We're seeing a ton of action, and just it's a great group community inside of the private Facebook group. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take action now if you are interested. Link will be below in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys.